Are you brand new working in Power BI and you want to get a good data set that you can start to test out, try new features, try new functionality with? Well, have I got the process for you. Can't wait to show you what Data God tools I made available to everyone. You got to check this out. All right, so as always, Data God tools are available out on KratosBI.com. Just head out to the website, head over to Data God tools. Blood out, right there, or my camera. All right, click on that. This is the first tool that you're gonna find out there. It's the Data God Datamart preparation. Now, what this does is it's got a whole bunch of scripts to create some views for you that you're gonna run on top of AdventureWorks SQL DW. And you say to yourself, hey, Chris, I don't have that installed. Where am I going to get that? I've launched SQL Server Management Studio. I don't see that. Well, I got you. All right. So this install guide that I've got out on my website, the first video here will run you through this installation. Basically, it will take you through getting AdventureWorks 2019 SQL DW installed on your desktop. Once you do that and you go over to the Data God Datamart Prep, you're going to download these files, and inside here, you're going to find a whole mess of views that you're going to use to create inside of the AdventureWorks SQL DW 2019 Datamart. So I'm going to quick show you what it's going to look like so you know what these tools are. Basically, you're going to install the database. You're going to install it on your local host. Click connect, head over to databases, and you're going to see the AdventureWorks DW up here. It's going to have a whole bunch of tables that are going to be inside of there. So you'll see we can explore that. You'll see a whole bunch of tables. The challenge, though, with the AdventureWorks datasets are like it's from 2009 or like forever ago, right? That kind of sucks, right? You want to see data, you want it to be somewhat relevant and new. That's where you want to download the data sets that I've created. I've got a whole bunch of fact tables that are out there. You'll get all of these fact tables and date dimensions available for you. What this does, I should be on the other side. I'm small. How about this? Smaller. Everything that you got over here is the data sets I've created for you. Basically what this does is it shifts all of the dates over so that it is always relevant to today's, so if you're in 2022, you see 2022, 2021, 2020 information, and going back as the years change and evolve, these dates are going to change and evolve too as we go through time. So this is all set to be able to be relevant to your date and time that you're in. But basically all you do is you fire up any one of these scripts. Just open that puppy, and you want to make sure that you are connected to the database. Well, technically I've got the use AdventureWorks DW. You can either select the database, but either way, this use statement up on top here, AdventureWorks DW statement here, blow. That's going to create it for you, so you're going to be all good to go. Let me get over so you can do it. And as you can see, I've got all these different dates that are available inside my report and my content, and now I am good to go. I can just hit, if I hit enter now, it's going to error out because I already have a view in place, but I can go in and I can choose to alter the view, hit F5, blood out, it runs successfully. Okay. But you just create all those views and you've got your Datamart all ready to create measures and stuff on top of that. So you can build and explore within Power BI. Okay. This is a fantastic way to give you a well-formed data set that you can experiment with. You can see what is it like to have a real fact table, because a lot of people, if you're working in Power BI, you might be you're often going to be in the business and you're just dealing with Excel files that come in from all over the place. I get it, totally been there, understand how that goes, right? So you hear people talk about a star schema. What the heck does that even mean? Well, the AdventureWorks DW dataset will run you through that whole thing, make it really easy for you to use that so you can start to see the advantages of it, test out new features and functionality as Microsoft rolls them out, practice your T-SQL, all of that good stuff. So I hope you find this to be very useful and helpful. I get lots of compliments of people talking about it all the time, so This is out. It's available for you. Do check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you want to have any suggestions or want any other content, please let me know. Leave those in the comment as well below. And as always, like, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. You have a great day. Peace.